Hi everybody, today is December the 5th and today we're going to open the 5th window. This one down here. Now this is a very big window, so I can't wait to see what's inside that one. Okay, let's get started. Open this up. I wonder who's in here. See, ooh, it's something nice and big. Look at this. It's a present. Oh wow. Let me see. Open this up. I can put this together. Okay, so does this go like this? Maybe like this. Okay, put it together like this. And I'm guessing that maybe a Tsum can sit on this. Okay, let's try it. Now this looks like a seed, but I think it's supposed to be a present that's opened up, and inside you can put your little Tsum so she can actually sit on there. I have Daisy Duck sitting inside the present, and there's a beautiful green bow and the ribbon around it. I really like the details on it. And then here in the front there's even another little bow right here in the front. So that's the surprise for day 5, the present, and I really like it. I have Daisy Duck sitting inside it. And tomorrow will be day 6, so be sure to come back tomorrow because I'll be opening day 6. I wonder what's inside that one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow to see me open door number 6.